In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase exposure on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. Then, if you are at a photo mode, first off, you need to tap right here at that arrow, and that will show you that toolbar. Right over here, we can easily find that exposure icon, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to increase or reduce the exposure on a photo simply by dragging it left or right. Move it to the left to reduce the exposure and move it to the right to increase it. The same about video mode. If we switch to video mode, we'll be able to control the exposure as well. To do that, we need to tap at that arrow, then tap at exposure icon, and then in the same way we can increase or reduce exposure on our video. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.